Hi traders, ESPR is down to the 33%. It's a nice reversal point. I'm about to short it. Well, I'll short it here, 1060. I think that once it moves under 1060, it's probably going to move under 1050. Here we go. Just moved. Would like to see it under 1050. There's some big buyers at 1050. I'm watching them. There's especially one with 3,000 shares. You can see him here. Just waiting for the breakdown. Here we go. Okay, we just broke down. Okay, TSRO, gonna go long. It's up 93% buying right now, 2,000 shares. It is a biotech company, something that has to do with cancer, and it looks like it should continue. ESPR. Well, okay, good. 30 cents. Okay, taking my partial right now. Just covered 3,600 out of my 4,000. TSRO didn't make a decision yet. Okay, this is very interesting. ESPR is coming down to the $10 mark. I'm about to short another 2,000 shares right under 10. Okay, I shorted, but it did not. Okay, here we go. We're under 10. $10 is very, very important. You have to remember this point. 90% of the institutional traders are not allowed to buy stocks under $10. And that means that usually when a stock is getting close to $10, it should continue moving down. Traders would sell it, institutionals would sell it, and it just reached my target. Okay, 20 cents. This is all of what I was looking for with 2,000 shares. Just took a second partial in ESPR. You need to remember this. $10 are very, very important. Again, if you see stock getting close to $10, it's most likely to continue to 10 and under 10. And the breakdown under 10 is very important. This is why I was almost sure that I'm going to get this 20 cents that you're seeing here. Already 30 cents by now. TSRO. It's holding here and I'm a little bit at risk. I'm up $1,800, but I'm going to take a partial of 1,000. Going to just lower my size, in fact. Okay. Sold. Just took some money in, reducing my risk. Not exactly what I hoped, but I think it's going to continue. This is why I leave 50% of the quantity. So just lowering my risk. That's a good start. Two trades in ESPR. Both of them went fine. One good long in TSRO, up $3,600 just 10 minutes into the trading day. Thank you very much for watching. Traders, if you would like to learn trading, you can join my online trading room, trade live with me, and even mirror my trades. It is a 14-day free trial. You can sign up now. If you don't have a trading account, you can open a Colmex account and get free access to my trading room. Thank you very much for watching.